Yo, 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 yo. What up with it? This young DICE. Man, I'm gonna keep on hitting all these motherfucking YouTube videos and doing all this shit because a nigga really about to get it. You know what I'm saying? So you may not know who I am or see me now, but y'all niggas gonna really know who the fuck I am eventually. So just remember that name, Dice. You know what I'm saying? Young Dice. Think twice. Liable to hold you up and take your life and fuck your wife and get it on the top notch. Wanna flip it on that shit just so exquisite, cause one time for the doja, 3 times for the know ya, 4 times for the fucking coda. Sat where I'm at on the track, I keep these hoes like back. Y'all see me up on that with my big swallow, I'm in my lag, yeah boy. I'm a motherfucking top-notch boss. I'm all up in this vague seeing CD dipped in sauce. Nah, stop talking shit because I'm about to go off on your head. You better call your ass a doctor. Yeah, I'm about that action. Yeah, I'm about that mackin'. About to call a pack. I bring them back just like I'm rapping. Yeah, I'm straight trapping for the motherfucking niggas who ain't never had shit. So I'm about to get my Skrilla, cause every day I see with no lights or no power. The roaches coming up the dam. I'm trying to take a shower. Mayflower, they coming up like boats based on a true story through a fucking stethoscope. 100 brokes, never broke when a motherfucker like me got it, yo. When I'm in that vague seeing city, boy, I'm never broke. Yo, getting on that 24/7, I got it told. My section is on and blow, put it again in comatose. Yeah, I'm never fucking froze, but you know I cold low dang, and I got a bad dame, and she's gonna chose. Oh, real PIMP, when I'm in that bitch, go, I get it, what that left time, I'm about to switch. One time for the niggas, for the back I kept on cold with my niggas holding it down, that slide down, for sure, I ain't never gonna stop. I'm about to fuck your hoe, fuck your bad bitch, then the other bitch you came here for. What you here for? And all my kinfolk, knowing that I'm holding it down just like a Nendo, like an info. I'm smoking info, fucking all them niggas if you ain't coming with you info. Yeah, nigga, I'm endo, and you know I'm about to get all that shit when I'm on that fuck that bitch and she is celibate. Go quick like Dicey go so ham. Y'all niggas don't understand. I'm running government like Sam Uncle. Yeah, nigga, no dunkle. Bitch, you know I can't fumble. I'm all off in the game and GAMB and I'll stumble to the motherfucking riches. To the top, I'm about to get it. My niggas know my niggas J-Mac and we gotta hit it, yeah. We all up in it, long hair, don't care. See me like a black stethoscope, nigga, who dare? Who would be that nigga DIC with the black face? Nigga, go grown, I'm smoking on that kush, I call that shit my ace. Nigga, hold up, my bathing apes is different colors. I'm rolling up in something ballin' on a fucking budget. These hoes love it cause they wanna see me more, but I flex off when I get it and I go down what for? Yeah, nigga, I'm that boy, cause I'm that boy, cause I'm rolling up like presidential young Dice plus buzz boy. Yeah, nigga, buzz boy. These hoes love that more. I dig it something, I like it down, I get it down like nah. Yeah, nigga, I'm raw. Knock it down, southpaw, cause I'm getting it and I'm topping off and I'm rolling off like nah. See you in my outskirts, Twilight Zone, fuck your ass on your home, bullshit I do not condone, yeah nigga, bitch.